Combining Visa gift cards on Amazon for purchases.
Hello viewers. Today we're discussing a topic that's very handy for all you Amazon shoppers out there. Have you ever received multiple Visa gift cards and wanted to use them all on a single Amazon purchase? Today, we're going to guide you on how to combine Visa gift cards on Amazon to make a purchase.
Why can I directly combine Visa gift cards on Amazon?
Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand why we can't just input multiple Visa gift cards directly into Amazon for a single purchase. As of now, Amazon doesn't support multiple payment methods in a single order, and Visa gift cards are treated as debit, credit cards, hence you can only use one per order. But don't worry, there's a workaround, and we're going to show you how.
What is the workaround to combine Visa gift cards?
The solution lies in converting your Visa gift cards into Amazon gift cards. Once you've converted your Visa gift cards into Amazon gift cards, you can apply all of them to your Amazon account, and they will be combined into one balance that can be used for your purchases. Let's break down the steps you need to follow.
Converting your Visa gift cards into Amazon gift cards.
Here's how to turn your Visa gift cards into Amazon gift cards. 1. Go to your Amazon account. Sign in to your Amazon account and navigate to Gift Cards. 2. Buy an Amazon gift card. Click on Buy Gift Cards. You will be taken to a page with several options. For our purpose, select e-gift card. 3. Enter gift card details. In the amount field, enter the exact value of your Visa gift card. For the recipient's email, enter your own email address. 4. Choose Visa gift card as payment method. Proceed to checkout. Here, select Add a card under the payment method. Input your Visa gift card details here. 5. Complete your purchase. Click on Buy Now or Place your order. Repeat these steps for each of your Visa gift cards.
Applying your Amazon gift cards to your Amazon balance.
After buying the Amazon gift cards, you will receive an email containing the gift card code. Here's how you can apply it to your Amazon balance. 1. Go to your Amazon account. Sign in to your Amazon account and navigate to Gift Cards. 2. Apply a gift card to your account. Click on Redeem a gift card. Enter the code you received in your email and click on Apply to your balance. Repeat this for all the Amazon gift cards you've bought. You'll see your total balance increase as you redeem each card. So there you have it. While it may seem like a bit of a roundabout process, it's a surefire way to combine the balances of multiple Visa gift cards into one amount that can be used on Amazon. Remember to stay patient as you repeat the steps for each card, and before you know it, you'll have all your funds ready for that big purchase. We hope you found this video helpful, and happy shopping on Amazon.